In today's video, I have this 20 gauge pump shotgun and a 20 gauge double barrel shotgun, and I'm gonna see which one can destroy a target better. Got a bunch of bottles, some plates, and a little box that I'm gonna be shooting. All right, I got a couple targets set up. Now it's time to go shoot. Okay, so this 20 gauge, basic pump shotgun. You put a bullet in here, turn it over, then put it on fire and shoot. This one is a bit older. Basically, this thing right here, you have to push it over, and then boom, this thing pops out. You put two of them in here, slide it back down, take it off of safety, shoot. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera right here so there's a better angle. Okay, first up, we got the pump shotgun. You got that bottle. Oh, this is the damage we did. This one, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got holes all over. We got this one. This one had a little bit of water in it, but yeah, holes all over it. And then this one right here got destroyed. And tea bottle right there, it's pretty messed up. So we did pretty good. Okay, now it's time for the double barrel. I'm gonna shoot both of those plates right there and see like what the spread looks like. All right, here goes the first shot. Don't even gotta reload or nothing. You just. So this one's got a pretty good amount of holes, and same with this one. Yeah, I didn't really hit it center though, but yeah. Now I'll get two new plates and try with the pump. Okay, now I got two plates in a bowl, 3 shells in the pump. I'm gonna see how many BBs it'll get in it. Okay, so as far as the spread, I would say the pump shotgun is more like closer together, like because you can see the holes are more towards the center versus the double barrel. They're more spread out, and this one they're more close together, more spread out. So now I'm gonna do a slow motion video. Okay, I got a bowl set up. I'm about to do a slow motion video. First with the pump shotgun, then with the double barrel.